Tesla Model S and Model X charging port cover disassembly and replacement guide. What if this cover malfunctions? The MCU will display DTC W043, W062, and W001. Severe water infiltration will prevent the vehicle from powering on. If you see these fault codes on the screen, it means the charging port cover is faulty. We now have a repair kit for this issue. Let's disassemble and replace it now. There is normally a pin here. We've already removed this pin. Remove the 2 screws. Take off the cover. Then, on the side, we need a tool to pry it open. We've already pried it open in advance. You can see the internal motor is broken due to rust. Take out the motor. You can see this circuit board has been corroded. Use tweezers to take out the main board. Unplug the connector. Now we just need to replace the motor from our kit and the circuit board. This will resolve the fault code issue on the screen. This is some grease we can use to lubricate. Then our kit's new main board and new motors. Now we clean the original cover thoroughly. Then install our new main board. Plug the connector back in. Then take our lubricant. Apply it on the motor. Then install the new motor. Fit the gear shaft. Apply a little lubricant here as well. Now we can install the top cover back on. Clean the top cover too. Then snap the dust cover back into place. Fit it into position. Install the other covers. Tighten the screws back in. After installation, be careful with this cover. Do not apply too much pressure on it. Plug the connector back in, then testing it on the vehicle, opening and closing it repeatedly. Then it will work. Ready to try?